Hi, my name is Emmy. My mom, she got a lot of jewelry today, and she's going to show it to us.
Welcome to my channel, Dragonfly Bees Resale Journey. My name is Susie. I'm an online reseller, primarily in jewelry, and I share and I showcase my finds sourcing inventory. If you enjoy jewelry unboxings of mystery lots, rescue boxes, lots from Shop Goodwill or Goodwill Blueboxes, you've come to the right place. I also, on occasion, share fun jewelry facts in my videos. But most importantly, it's about having fun, learning together, and finding treasures together. So, please enjoy. Hey everyone, it's Susie with Dragonfly Bees Resale Journey. How are you? In this video, I'm going to be unboxing another Goodwill Bluebox 5-pound repurposed jewelry box. It came from Lake Worth, Florida. So, I never got one from Lake Worth, Florida. I only gotten them from Fort Lauderdale in Florida. So, let's find out together what's in this one. Okay, here's the box. Let's check it out. It's raining here. But it feels good. Nice and cool. You probably can hear the raindrops. Okay. Lake Worth. Let's take a look. All right. First impressions, what do you think? Let's dive in. Well, I have my little baskets again. My bins are holding the vintage jewelry that will be hopefully coming up next, a big vintage jewelry showcase. So, looking through this, I gotta say, the earrings are mostly solo. Also, maybe 2 pairs, but all right. Let's see what is that place called? Lake Worth? Oh, let's see what it has to offer. Okay, first off, from this box, we have this pretty fun chain. Let's see. There's about 1, 2, 4, 6, maybe 8 strands here. Polished gold tone beads, nice bead caps. Like a paper clip chain, lobster clasp, extender, cone shape beads, really bright, nice red acrylic with some AB coated ones sporadically scattered about. So we have this pretty one. Okay, next we have this really pretty pink shell pendant with all these really nice dyed pink shells and seed beads in between. It's very clean. There's a lobster clasp closure and an extender. This is very nice. This here is like a muted, they actually do feel like rocks in these pastel colors. Has an extender, these little silver bead spacers. So we have this one. Okay, these are very big, glossy, beautiful deep blue beads, along with some gold beads in between and smaller ones on top. There's a little tag that says genuine lucite. Okay, lucite. Now this one here, similar, but all white with gold bead spacers. It has a lobster clasp, a bead at the end of the extender, and they hooked these earrings to the necklace, which was quite nice. I didn't see these before. So you have these lever back matching earrings for this set. I have to say this box doesn't look like it has too much. This video may not be as long as I thought it would be. Okay, here we have this really nice long necklace. It's got all these faceted beads with the gold spacers. This is about 17 inches long, and it has a barrel clasp, and it's by give me a second. Okay, 1928. So we have this really pretty, this very pretty one. Then next, this here, faceted beads, super long. I don't see any clasp. So this is basically like an infinity style necklace. You could wear it doubled, maybe tripled, over your head. This is about 30 inches long. So you have this one. Not too heavy. Or maybe this is for crafting. Like I said, I don't make jewelry, but when you buy beads, do they come in a long strand like this? This is 30 inches. Okay, so we have this one. Then next is this vintage one with the spring ring clasp. These are nice white beads, which are acrylic, and then it has these beads along with these gold ones, and then it falls back down to white beads at the end. This is nice. This is about, let's see, from here to here it's about 10 inches. So we have this one. And then lastly is this vintage one. I think it's vintage. Maybe not. Maybe made to look vintage. That's the center. It has black faceted beads, and you know what? These are not glass. These are acrylic. And then it has this design with the rhinestones. Let's take a look at the back. Oh, okay. There's the back. There is some wear. You know what? I believe this is vintage. This is a choker. So imagine wearing this as a choker. I think it would look really nice. This here measures 14 inches. It has that lobster clasp and 14 inches up to like the first loop. And then it has a really long extender, which is about 4 inches. So yeah, this is nice. We have this one, and this one, and this very long 1928 one. Oh, bonus hair. Okay, these next two necklaces are pretty nice, I gotta say. This here is by Charter Club, and look at these panels. They're fun. I love the blue. They are on this silver tone, like bezeled frame. Okay, there's the back. There's some marks on the center, bottom center. This chain is super clean, silver tone polished. I like the design. there's that lobster clasp, and it says right here, that says Charter Club. Charter Club. Is that Macy's or something? A Macy's brand? I don't recall. So we have this, and then this one here, really beautiful. Look at this. Also bezeled, gold tone chain, nice extender. This one has a jeweler's jewelry tag too, and it's the limited, and that is the hallmark. There is a lobster claw clasp and an extender. Nice chain. Let's take a look at these. These are really pretty. They feel like glass. Oh, train's going by. They feel like glass, but you know what? I'll make sure. And the back, I mean, this has weight to it. The back is really nice, and each one of these are foiled back. So we have this really pretty one from the Limited, and this fun one from Charter Club. Okay, these next two, let's describe these as organic. Yeah. This is some sort of shell, I think. It's interesting. It's tied by these really clean nylon strands. It has a button closure. Oh, there's the train. Very beachy, very fun. I have the window wide open because it's cool out and it feels good. And yeah, this is a very nice beachy one. And then next we have this really pretty silver tone scroll design pendant, and behind it is a nice wooden frame. It's on this very clean suede cord. So we have these two. Okay, let's go over some things that I'll be putting into the craft lot. We have this plastic. This is an oval bangle that's really scratched up. It says Mom, Love, Family, and Home. Here is a, look at this, like minty green. It's a stretch bracelet, and it's yeah, it's going into a craft lot. What else? Oh, this is something, I don't know what. This here is just a USA bracelet. Here's a little button closure, macrame, a bangle, a stretchy. This is a stretch with oh wow, look at these beads. They feel cold, but the paint is wearing off on some of them. Here's a stretch rhinestone. Here's a white bead stretch with, oh, all these little hamsters. Okay, this is a brass. It's nice though. Craft. These look like s'mores balls. Or coffee with cream. These are acrylic. And this one here, look at these painted beads. It's kind of pretty. Yeah, so this whole group will go to craft. A few more things going into the craft lot. Look at this. It's a bracelet, but it's like a bamboo frame. I could picture this being repurposed and made into an actual frame. Isn't that cute? So this will be in the craft lot. This here's it feels acrylic, and it has these rhinestones. Some are dead around it. There's no seams. I may test this. This one here, just a memory wire. Oh, it has bugle beads besides seed beads. Very pretty baby blue. It's in great condition, but if you want it, it'll be in craft. This is a seed bead design on a vinyl. What kind of bracelet is this? Where you just pop that little knob in the spacers. This feels like suede. It's very stiff. Yeah, this will go into the craft lot. Here's another memory wire. No. Is it memory? What would you call this, memory wire? This has these chips dyed red and silver tone. Big clamper, very big clamper, gold tone and brown. It's clean inside. It has some scratches. You could see that on the gold polish. It is missing one rhinestone. Only one. So this group, well, I'm going to test this. This group is going to the craft lot. Okay, next up is this really nice bangle. Feels like acrylic, like an ivory color, with these brass little buttons all around, on top and bottom. And then you have this beaded component going all around the center. This is made by Two's Company, and this is made in India. Yeah, they're known for lots of bangles. So let's measure this, and this is about 8 inches in diameter. And I need some wiping in there, but label's intact. So we have this. Okay, this is a stretch bracelet, and the only reason why I'm showing it is because it looks new. It's in great condition. It has these brown beads and gold tone setting. So yeah, it looks to be in very nice condition. So we have this one. Okay, these next two are glass. This one here is a very festive holiday one. Really vivid, really clean. I mean, this looks really nice. Yeah, it looks great. The stretch is good. So we have this one. And then this one here. You know what? The stretch is good on this one too. It's got some silver tone, like these puffy cylinders in there. And then you have the glass beads. I guess it's considered to be the Millefiore style. So we have these two. Very nice. Okay, this next group of stretch bracelets, I mean, you know what? The stretch is not the best in you know, in each. So I am pricing these for components because number one, this beautiful one is glass, and that looks like sodalite. And you have these chips as well. So we have this one. And then this one here, the pink one, is also glass beads. These are not, I don't believe, but the pink ones are. And the round ones. So that is also partially glass. These are glass. These black ones, black faceted ones, those little, you see these in between? Definitely can be repurposed, reused. The stretch on here, I mean, it's overstretched, to be honest with you, but the glass beads are totally reusable. This here, it's a fun bracelet. You have this hammered matte gold panels, but these are actual glass. This, I don't know. This, I'm not sure. It doesn't really feel cold to me, but these do. So, oh, train. The train. So, yeah, these will each be sold for components to repurpose. Okay, this next one I had to put it on to show you. I mean, this is something else. There it is, close up. Can you tell what brand this is? Look at the rhinestones. Really pretty. And everything is intact. It has that nice scroll design. This is a oval clamper. It's in, I would say, fairly good condition. There's not crazy major scratches anywhere. But this this design is what makes it. I love the purple and the gold rhinestones, and there's like raised metal, and there's even bigger clear rhinestones. And this is made by see the bee and the heart? This is a Brighton clamper bracelet. In beautiful condition. Pretty clean, I would say so. Yeah. Really a very beautiful piece. Okay. Thank you, Lake Worth. Okay, next up are these items. This one here is really pretty. It is one of those slider bracelets. It's on this really delicate gold tone box chain, and it has these beautiful crystals. So you basically pull that down. Oh, it's very smooth. It works very well. Okay, so we have this pretty one. Next, this one. This is one of those hook bracelets, silver tone. It has a really nice cobalt blue, like a beach glass nugget that's wrapped in the wire, in the metal. This I'll test. Oh, this is 7 inches around, and this one here, really sweet open cuff, I'm sure it's adjustable. The way it is now, it's only 5.5 inches. It has this beautiful filigree frame and this bezeled onyx. And this is old. On the back, it actually says, what's it say? Sterling 925. So that's really pretty. It's raised. We will test this too. And then here is this very pretty. This is these pearls are real, and there's these blue beads that are, I believe, are sodalite. They're cold. So we have this. There are some bead caps that need a good wipe down, and a barrel clasp. So we have this set of items. Yeah, let's test these things. Okay, let's test these. This one was from here. Okay. Here goes. Yes. No. No. Next we have this vintage crystal pendant necklace that's in dire need of repair. Or you can take these components and repurpose them. Let me bring you close so I can show you what I'm talking about. Look at this. It's gorgeous. That's the back. But this entire chain is made up of these beautiful crystals. There's no maker's mark. There's that. And look at this. There's string placed there. There's instead of the ring. And there's string over here too. More string. So when someone repaired it, they used string. Here's another connection with the string. And here's more string right there. And here. Over here, that's missing a jump ring altogether. This here is also missing a ring. And look at the end. The end is missing something in these two spaces. More string. String. Look at this. String. Let me show you the back. I mean, this is old. This is very old. The back side looks like this. I'm sure it was really quite lovely when it was new. You see that? They're Rivolis. They're pointed on that side. and they're flat on the front. Wow. Absolutely no marks. So, yeah, this would be, I guess, a person who restores jewelry would find this quite a challenge. This is what's left of this box from Lake Worth. So there's a lot of single earrings in here and some other things that I'll pull out right now. Okay, found some rings. This first one is this pink enamel, has that pink cabochon on top, pink rhinestones all around. Oh, and there's one missing right there. So there's one missing rhinestone. This is a stretch ring. It's still really cute. Here we have a butterfly layered. Okay, this one has a missing rhinestone right there and there. This is adjustable. There is some wear. And we have this one. Let me size it just so you know. It's about a 7.5. A butterfly. Fly away. Next one. Okay, when I first took this out, I threw it back down in the basket because I thought it was a bug. This is like a lucite ring. Very cool. Don't know exactly what's in there. It's like little flakes, like gold and black flakes. I don't know what that mark is. Can you see that in the reflection? And it's also signed on the side. See that? There it is. And okay, nothing on this side, nothing on that side. So let's see what size it is. Okay, this is a 7. So has anyone seen those marks before? Of that, here, I'll show it to you one, let's see if I can find it. I'm gonna try to see if I could find anything on this. Really interesting. I'm wondering if I'm holding it up right side up. That's what it would look like this way. So yeah, cool. Very cool. Okay, what's this? What are you? Oh, dolphins? Enamel dolphin ring? Is about an 8. I see a lot of wear on the edges. It's like an amber color. I don't know if you could tell. It looks more green on the camera. But it is, yeah, it's green and amber. It's, you know what? It's a mix of the two colors. It's all swirled. Yeah, this has been worn. It's quite heavy too. And oh, there's the 8 telling us it's a size 8. So we have this dolphin ring. This one is a marcasite ring with purple rhinestones. Is that purple? Purple and blue. Yeah, there's some missing. It's cute though. Let's see what size you are. I would say 6 3/4. Really pretty though, right? I mean, they're so tiny, you can't even, you don't notice that much that they're missing. What's this? This needs a cleaning. And what does that say in there? This is very difficult to see. Huh. Can you see that? It's hard. It's hard to see. Let's see what it is. Oh, a lot of tarnish. Abalone. And it's bezeled. Let's see what size you are. You're about a 6 3/4. You see all that wear on either side? Okay, test pile. This beauty. Oh. These are clear crystal rhinestones. Look at the setting. They sit high up. This is a beautiful ring. There's the inside. It's got weight. This does have weight. Nothing's missing. It is magnetic, so this is a costume piece, and it's quite small. I think it's tiny. This is wow, it's almost a 5. It is a 5. Almost a 5. But yeah, it's quite a stunner. I like it. Too small for me. Okay, moving on, we have this ring. This one, oh, this is a polished silver tone ring with shooting stars. That's pretty cool. Let's see what size you are. Okay, you're big. You're like an 8. So we have this one. Polished silver tone. No marks inside. Okay, we went to, oh, here's one. This is small. Let's size it. Oh, not that small. Not too small. This is like almost a 7. This is pretty though. Looks like a amethyst stone. Could be faux, with some rhinestones on either side. Has a nice high setting. Let's see if it says anything inside. Yeah, it does, but I can't see that. M. That could be 925. Maybe. No, it isn't. This is magnetic. So I will test the ones that I said I would. It was this one. Huh, I think it was just this one. Okay, moving on. Okay, let's see if this is amethyst. Oh yeah. And the clear stones on either side is most likely glass, crystal rhinestones, and they are. Okay, so now we know. Moving on. Okay, this group of necklaces are all going to the craft lot. Did I mention that craft lots items are $1 a piece? and that I create 5-pound craft lots, sometimes more in weight. And if you're interested, you just email me about that, because I haven't posted any yet on Macari. I sold the ones I did have, and I usually place them on Etsy too as crafting supplies. So this one here is Queen Bee plaque. Nothing is wrong with this one at all. So it's going to the craft lot. This one is really, really nice. This has all these seed beads and cross pendants. And here's the back of it. The only problem is the chain. The chain is really faded. It's supposed to be gold. There's some gold, but this one's all silver, and I mean this was worn. So someone can take this. This is pretty. Take this off the chains and replace the chain. So this will be in the craft lot. This one here is really nice as well, but it is very faded in terms of the jump rings all have the copper showing. So these will all be craft lot items. This next necklace, really sweet. It is not magnetic. It says, "I love you, I love you, I love you," with the little heart on the bottom, and it's all in a heart shape. That is the back. And there is a mark there, which I can't make out. It's like right there. Really pretty. I'll check it out. I will check this out. Okay, let's see what we have. That doesn't look too promising. Okay, here goes. And they are not. Okay, next we have some interesting items here. I closed the window. I truly apologize for the noise. Yeah, it was... I didn't realize it was that loud. So to start off, when I said unusual, I meant this. This is not exactly jewelry. This is a collector's coin. This is a Navy challenge coin. SEAL Team 5. You know that the SEAL Team is the elite special ops force of the Navy, of our U.S. Navy. So here you have the unit insignia, I guess, on this side, and then on the other side is this is the U.S. Navy trident symbol, I believe. This is looks to be in really great condition. I know they range in different prices depending on what's, you know, what's on the coin and which team, really. I mean, all teams. I mean, they're American Special Ops. They deal with hostage rescue, counter-terrorism, you know, things like that. So, okay, we have this. And then next, look at this beauty. This is a pendant, a very heavy pendant. There is a, okay, this spins on top, and there's a hole that allows you to place a chain through there. This is heavy. I like the gold tone columns on either side, that have that scroll design. And we have a gold tone depiction of, I guess that's Cleopatra maybe, in a heart. And she spins. Wow. Like I said, this is very heavy. Very heavy. And there you have that. Oh, look at all my fingerprints on it. Wow. Let me put that back. Oh, here's a closer look of that since, you know, I didn't show you before. Okay. Then next we have this, okay, this is a sweet little pen brooch. It has that scroll design. It's a leaf with like a little ribbon on the bottom, but it's missing something right there. So I guess if you have a pearl, you could pop it in there, or maybe a rhinestone. Very sweet. Here's the back. Looks nice. Looks very nice. So we have this. Okay, next is this silver tone brooch. Black rhinestones. Opaque faceted rhinestones. And then there's that raised metal pattern. Like raised, they look like beads. This is very pretty. It's in great condition. There is the pin. So we have this little brooch. Very nice. Next is this little sitting angel. Possibly a cherub. I believe he's pewter. And it's a tack pin. It does say Canada on the back, and JCD, I think. There is a company, I forgot what it's called, Seagull something Canada, and they do make pewter objects like this. So we have this. Next is this little cute pendant. Could you imagine if these were real? It has these crystal rhinestones. Very pretty. In fact, I have one on Poshmark that looks identical to this, but the diamonds are real. So we have this one. Okay, next is this really pretty polished cursive F initial. Very nice. Really clean. Well, pretty clean. Gotta wipe that off. Yeah, no marks, no maker's marks. So we have this. Let's see, F, Fran. That's all I could think of. Okay, this here is a little charm with the numbers 76. This was a long time ago. So we have that. What else? What else? Here we have a little dragonfly. Very sweet brooch. Tiny little brooch. I mean, it has blue, beautiful rhinestones for its wings and its head. It has these, I guess it's kind of like a, what is that? Peridot or citrine color? More like peridot, I think. Rhinestones in the middle and also inside its wings. It has that swirly little antennas design on the top. Tiny little pendant. Look at this. Really small. Excellent condition, and there's the back. Now, we have a charm. It's a rhinestone filled. They're all there. I think so. Yeah, I think they're all there. Stiletto. How pretty is that? Silver tone. Really cute. So when you take off your heels, you could go golfing. This is a vintage charm. I believe it's a woman's golf shoe. It has the cleats on the bottom, Look at the design. It's so intricate. There are some initials on the side, PKY and the number 54. I guess I have to do some research on that. But I think this is the cutest, little, narrowest cleat, golf shoe, I guess, that I've ever seen. And, of course, the stiletto is really pretty, too. So, okay, we have these. Let's test out this little golf shoe to see if this is a precious metal. And it is not. Okay. So this is the remainder of the box. This looks like a little baby boy angel. It feels like bisque. Earring. Mother of pearl. Cool earring. Clip on. Another clip on. This one, it's a clip on earring. Here's another one. Clip on. This one is a clip on. And it says Amy Jo. Amy Jo. Never heard of Amy Jo. Some neon hoops that are solo. Yeah, everything is solo in here. I mean, okay. You have some sunglasses with the little, it's a brooch. This is one heavy. Wow, this is a heavy, solid clip earring. Yeah, it's all there. Those were the only 2 pairs of earrings I found. Look at this one. It's pretty. Tassels are cute. This one, clip earring. And another one. Really nice. Could be a Monet. Feathers. Oh, look at this little guy. It's a carved elephant. Little carved elephant. And he's by himself. Here's another one. Oh, missing a rhinestone. Yeah. Okay, so you know what? I'm babbling. Anyway, this wraps up this Goodwill Bluebox 5-pound repurposed jewelry box from Lake Worth, Florida. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you do. If there's anything you'd like to purchase, email me at dragonflybees@gmail.com. Instructions are below in the description box, as well as in the beginning of the video after my intro. Enjoy your day. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Like I said, I am planning a big vintage showcase again. See you soon. Bye. Here's just a little sneak peek of what's to come. This is just a portion of what I'll be showing in the vintage showcase that I plan on doing very soon. All things vintage. Brooches, necklaces, bracelets, earrings. Lots of things to come. So stay tuned. Please subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be alerted when I post this video. Okay, see you soon.